You will not believe this. I was out here a few minutes ago walking my dog, and I looked around and I saw this. I don't think it's gonna rain. I think this is just lightning due to all the heat. I'm not sure. I really don't think it's gonna rain, but... Oh, God, look at it. It's so beautiful. All the patterns. Oh, whoa, it's a big one. I don't think it's gonna come any closer, so I'm safe. I don't think I'm gonna get struck by lightning, but... Oh, just look at all the patterns. Look at it dance in the clouds. It's so frightening, yet so beautiful at the same time. I have never seen anything like this in my life. I mean, whenever I saw lightning, I'd always just seen it like strike the ground. But I've never seen lightning act like this. I'm sure others probably have, but never me. To me, this is a rare occurrence. Oh, just look at it, though. It's so awesome. Oh, I'm glad I decided to go back inside and get my camera and film this. I wonder how much longer this is gonna last. I'd film it forever if I could, but I don't know how much my camera battery will last. Oh yeah, it's still going very strong. Look at the bolts. Look at them caress the clouds like that. Hear a bit of thunder too. Nothing too serious. Just really quiet thunder. Not loud or booming or anything. I'm not in front of my house, I'm in front of one of my neighbor's houses because there are a lot less trees in the way. And it's a one-story house, whereas my house is a two-story, so I wouldn't be able to get this on camera. It's almost like watching a ballet. Pretty sure some Tchaikovsky music would go great with this. The wonder and beauty of nature. Oh, that's a nice one. Look at it. Earlier you could see you could actually see lightning bolts hug and caress the clouds. I'm sure that'll happen again, but right now I just think they're only going to be flashes. But still, it's so beautiful to look at. And like I said before, I'm pretty sure the storm's far away. Oh, car. Oh, there's a bolt. There's a bolt right there. Look at that. I can almost picture maybe Wagner's Ride of the Valkyries set to this. Either something triumphant or something quiet and beautiful like the Nutcracker Ballet or something. So probably something from Swan Lake. Oh, this is gorgeous. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, there was a bolt. Oh, there was another one. Oh. God, this is beautiful. I don't think I can stay out here all night, though. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's not going to come any closer. Clouds have gotten a little bigger. I don't know if there's going to be any rain, though. Still looking at this. Like I said, it's frightening, yet so beautiful and wondrous at the same time. Oh. Yeah, good ones. neck's starting to get a little achy from craning my neck up to look at all this. I think that's a... Whoa! That was beautiful. Oh, yes! I should do stuff like this more often, rather than just doing my audio series or my review series. Just filming whatever I think is incredible and fascinating. Yes. Well, I think that's all I'm going to do for now. I'm going to be signing off until the next video. If you want me to do more stuff like this, just post in the comments below. And if you want me to keep doing stuff like this, I will. If you don't, and I won't. I just think it's a nice change of pace from the usual stuff I do on YouTube. And I think that's all I'm going to film. Good night.